Self doubt has been my biggest motivation. There are these questions a poet asked, it keeps on motivating me and resonates in my mind. Here it goes. What if I stay average? What if my story is never meant to be unique? What if I try and I fail? What if my idea is a little too out there? What if I'm pushing things too far too quickly? Or maybe, what if I change the way I look at the world? What if today is just the beginning? What if I can be the one people look up to? What if my dreams become the standard? What if I just stop wasting my time trying to convince others because I am the only one who must be convinced? See, when you ask me, is there any secret sauce to excellence? The answer is no. There is no secret sauce to excellence. It's just pure hard work, commitment to your craft, day in and day out. There are no shortcuts, there are no excuses. You cannot cheat your way to excellence. You need to grind for it. Every day you need to put 120% to it. And you can put 120% only when you know what your why is. A famous speaker, Eric Thomas, once asked a football team, what does Adidas stand for? They said, it's impossible is nothing. Then he asked, what does Nike stand for? They said, just do it. Now he asked them, what do you stand for? When I ask this question to myself, I want to stand for hope. I want to inspire others that never give up hope. And if you have hope and belief together with hard work, you can achieve things that you only dreamt of. Now ask yourself, what do you stand for?